Top 10 staircases on Blizzard World. Number 1. Sticky Staircase. Although a lovely name, you have to be very careful your toes don't get stuck on the staircase of the sticky staircase. Number 2. Oh no, my grandma. Enough said. Number 3. Saucy Steps. Do not put this sauce on your Nando's chicken, cause it will cause immediate pain to a whole family. If you do come in contact with these stairs, do not say, "Oh," just go, "Heal him please." Number 4. A chair. While walking up a chair, do not ask for any assistance, just walk up, usually done by ults. Now for the one you've been waiting for.
Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus.